Welcome. Now let us learn another important things, and this will be useful in advanced machine learning. In particular, it will be useful in regression and classification. It is known as encode categorical features. So encoding of categorical features. So what is the meaning of this encoding? Let me explain you. We know that we have one categorical feature, and let us see the how many unique value it has. So I'm running line 137. So it has the 3 unique variable. So let me print it, and then I will explain that what is the meaning of this one. So let me explain this one. Okay. So this is your actual data. What the encoding does it first of all it finds out the unique value and create a new column like this. So 3 new columns gets created like this original column name, origin is coming from here, and these are the unique value. And how does the value get? If American is present in this row, then 1, else 0, else 0. Similarly, if European is present in this row, else 1, else 0. Similarly, over here 0, 0, 1. So it keeps on going, and it makes for the full number of rows. And later on, it deletes the original column in this way. So original column gets transformed to this one. The difference between the previous and this one is previous one was in categorical feature, and that is content was a string, and after encoding it has become numeric. So it has become the pure numeric data. This is what the encoding does. So let us see how to do the encoding over here. And this will be done by the caret package. And let me explain. The caret package is one of the very big project in R. And almost every project people working on, they use caret. And as per my knowledge, it is most stable library, most useful, and one of the biggest library of R. So let us see what is the full form of R, this full form of caret. So in the caret I have pressed the F1, and it will show me in the help what is the meaning of the caret. It is still bringing. Still bringing. It looks like I have pressed the okay, it should not bring. Okay, no problem. So let us see the caret definition of caret, either over here. Okay, so it is not clear, no problem. Let us search over the CRAN package. Why I'm showing you this? Because this is one of the very important library, and this is the stable pack, and you will see that in almost every project will be using it. So let us see the full form of caret and some more information about the caret on internet. Here it is bringing. Looks like a little slow. Okay. So here is that complete documentation, and let us open this one. And the full form of CARET, by the time it is loading, CARET is that classification and regression. So if you see the CARET, the short form of classification, CA for classification, RE for regression, and T for training. See, it has a lot of the helper function which you will find you'll be using even in our regression and classification things. It has a huge number of helper functions, and you can see in the documentations. Okay, I'll explain you. Let us go ahead and start using one by one. So in the line 41, what we are trying to fit means this is the way. It means all the column except that -1 is that it used to put a constant. So we are removing that. That's all. And we are taking data means all the categorical column. That's all. So this is the fit means train line 141. And here we are predicting that this is the model which we have used, we got it, and this is the actual data for which we want to do the transformation. So this is what 142 we are predicting. It means we are converting to encoding. And if you see the DT, I'm just printing you the DT for viewing purpose. I print only DT. So if you see that these are the 3 columns it has made, and the way I had explained you, 3 columns and 10101 depending upon the presence or not. And 145 we need to remove the original columns. That is what we are doing, and we are in the 148 we are appending it. So this is our original data, with now it is not having categorical columns, and DT is encoded variable. So C bind means column binding. C for column binding. So column binding means, so let me explain the column binding. So when you see that this columns gets binded or basically appended in a column wise to the original data. That is what the C bind is all about. So I'm running a 148, and if you want to see the data train, I have just selected and run. So if you see, this is our original data till this point, and these 3 have been appended. That's all. Now this is the 149 for cleaning, and that's all for encoding categorical features. I hope you understand it. Thank you for watching it. See you in the next one.